Hi, I'm Sophia Espinoza, your senior class secretary treasurer.
And I'm Lucy Corinth, your senior class spirit commissioner.
And this is your Making Waves weekly announcements.
We're in our third week of school and homecoming is already upon us. Homecoming is a really special tradition in the class, bonding, creativity, and opportunity to make lifelong memories. Homecoming week is from Monday, September 29th through Friday, October 3rd, with the homecoming dance on Saturday, October 4th.
Every year for homecoming, each grade competes to design and build an epic float for the homecoming parade. We also prepare and perform class skits at the annual homecoming rally. There are dress-up spirit days for a full week and some fun lunchtime activities designed to get you hyped for the week's festivities.
In case you missed the announcements, this year's homecoming theme is
Lights,
Camera,
Action!
That's right. This year's theme will be all about musicals. Blue brings back some familiar performances back to life, using the amazing talent of Aptos High School students. And now it's time to announce each grade's sub-themes. The senior class of 2026 will be choosing Teen Beach Movie.
The junior class chose High School Musical.
The sophomore class will choose Grease.
And the freshman class chose Frozen.
This year's staff theme is Wizard of Oz!
Wow, we are sure to be entertained by these skits this year. Every single Mariner is invited to join in on the grade level skit and float preparation. The more students involved, the better ideas and creativity.
To join, be on the lookout for each of your grade's first meetings. Each grade needs float builders, dancers, singers, painters, and people who just want to share their ideas. There is room for everyone. Be on the lookout for information about when your class is meeting by checking your class Instagram and listening to the morning announcements. You can also check the link below for all the homecoming information.
In addition to all the creative fun of homecoming week, it's also a time where we select homecoming royalty. Each year, a Mariner student and staff vote on students from each grade who represent their class well and who are role models for our school. If you're interested in being part of this year's inclusive homecoming royalty, see your email for how to apply. You could apply with another student in your grade from now through Tuesday, September 9th. You could apply with a friend, teammate, or romantic partner. Then, voting takes place on Wednesday, September 17th through Friday, September 19th. Homecoming royalty winners will be celebrated at the halftime show of the homecoming football game on Friday, October 3rd. Good luck to everyone running for homecoming royalty this year.
And one more thing about homecoming for now, we can't forget about the homecoming dance. The dance is on Saturday, October 4th from 7 to 10 p.m. in the Warner Gym in the main quad. Now let's go to Miss Ortiz for the homecoming theme.
This year's HOCO dance theme is City of Stars! Think Hollywood,
Silver,
Gold,
Jazz,
and La La Land.
Tickets go on sale starting next week on Wednesday, September 3rd for $15. Tickets can be purchased in the main quad Mondays through Thursdays at lunch, or from our fiscal clerk in the main office on Fridays. Lastly, all students need a signed permission slip to attend the dance, which can be found in the main office and in L100. There's so much more to look forward to over the next few weeks. Grab your friends, get involved in HOCO 2025.
Hey Aptos High students, if you need to get some extra work done during tutorial or see a teacher that is not your tutorial teacher, I'm going to tell you how to get there. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pre-arrange this with the teacher you're visiting. You'll get a tutorial pass signed by that teacher. So let's say I need some help from Miss Damiani. I'm going to go to Miss Damiani and get a pass from her for tutorial. Then on Thursday or Friday, whenever you're going to do your passing, you report to your tutorial teacher for attendance with your pass. Once you show your tutorial teacher your pass and you're accounted for in attendance and they sign it, you have 7 minutes to get down to the class that you need extra help in. And once you're there, you stay there for the rest of the tutorial until the bell rings. Got it? Thank you.
Before we get to our shoutouts, each week we will be putting up a spotlight on a group of staff so you can get to know these friendly faces around the campus. 2 weeks ago, you met our admin team, our athletic director, and our activities director. This week, we'll be putting a spotlight on the College and Career Center and the Access Center. Let's go meet them.
Hey Mariners, my name is Miriam Medina. I work for the Access program as the lead college facilitator. Right behind us is the College and Career Center. That's where the Access program lives. Some of our upcoming events that we have with our program are the college rep visits. So we have universities coming to visit Aptos High. You are able to sign up for those. We're also starting up our academic advising services where we're going to meet with students one-on-one. This is the rest of the Access team. I'm going to let them introduce themselves and share with you something they like about Access.
Hi students, my name is Kirsten. I currently am a Cabrillo student, and something I love about Access program is joining y'all for the college field trips.
Hi guys, my name is Moy. I go to UCSC, and one of my favorite things is the tutoring we offer, so make sure to come in every day after school.
Hi guys, my name is Alejandro. I go to UCSC, and my favorite thing about the Access program are the after school snacks.
Make sure you visit us. Bye, see you soon.
Wow, they're such an amazing group of people. They do so much for our campus and have a lot of awesome programs to help us be successful. Make sure to stop by I-204 and go meet the team at the College and Career Center.
And now for Mariner shoutouts. Amelia Furman would like to shout out Georgia Hauer because she is very nice and very helpful on the first day of school.
Christian Sandoval is shouting out Coach Matthew because he is a great coach who works hard.
Lucas Gillen would like to shout out Miss Herzer. Thanks, Miss Herzer, for hosting the chess club. Stop by on Wednesdays in D206.
Mr. Liss would like to shout out Miss Monroy. Thank you for reconfiguring your schedule so we can open up our testing center and start helping students with testing needs.
If you would like to shout out a student or a staff member, please complete the shout out Google form emailed each week with Making Waves. 5-star points are awarded to shout out givers and recipients.
That's it for this week, Mariners.
We'll see you next time,
Make sure to like and subscribe.
and keep those shout outs coming in.
And this is your Making Waves weekly announcements.
Oh, we're in your third week of school? Okay, but though, that was really good.
No, it's because I like hecka locked in. I'm probably like this at the camera.
I know, me too. And now for our Okay. The bloopers are going to be good this episode.
You got it. You got it.
This year's staff theme is Beetlejuice. Sorry, Mr. Walsh again.
I didn't say anything.
I'm not.